Hey folks, how's it going? It's Mr. Murray coming to you with a do now for Course 1 CP for Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. This is Review Wednesday. All right, so this is a tradition that I kind of started last week along with Throwback Thursday, where we just recap on some skills that we've learned either in the past or sometime this year that might come up again. So they're really, really important to make sure we know. So this do now is about finding the remaining side of this triangle. You can see it's a right triangle, and so what you might remember is that this is the relationship a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and this is also known as the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? It's also known as the Pythagorean theorem. And so what we're going to do is, using the Pythagorean theorem, I'll give you A and I'll give you B, and I need you to use that to find C, okay? So this is actually one of the first examples that's going to come up on today's worksheet. So what I want you to do is this: pause the video, try to use A and B to solve C, and then when you're ready, unpause, and I'll show you how to solve them. All right. So again, if we know A is 8 and B is 6, and it doesn't matter which one you call which, 8 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared, and 8 squared is 64, and 6 squared is 36, and 64 plus 36 is 100, so 100 equals C squared, and now I do the square root, and the square root of 100 is 10, so C is equal to 10. Now, sometimes it might not come out to be a whole number, and if it doesn't, if the square root's not a whole number, you may just be able to leave it just like that. So, for example, the square root of, 17, you could maybe just leave as that, whereas the square root of 36, well, that's actually a whole number. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful and that you got this correctly. I encourage you to use this as an example for today's riddle. But good luck on that riddle. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to love math.